Alrighty then, here we are back again with the Slash Expert A2. This is the second A main, 7 minutes of racing. Our participants are Sawyer Brewer, Sean Wilcox, Justin Sheely, Kevin Jellick, Rocky 3, Scott Sable, Frank Brewer, Kevin Gorginski, Bad Boy, and Terry O. My spotters are ready. Drivers ready. Now this race is now on for the second round here at the Golden State Electric Challenge. It's Sawyer Brewer out front, chased by Sean Wilcox, Justin Sheely, Kevin Jellick. Around the carousel, it's tight racing up front. First off, lots and lots of action here. As they go around the backstretch, over the wall, number 1 car, the 8 car, Sawyer Brewer, is out for revenge. He led her last race for a good solid 4 minutes before he was overtaken by Sean Wilcox, who is now chasing him once again. And this is the lineup. Sawyer out front, Sean second, Kevin third, Justin Sheely fourth, Bad Boy fifth, Rocky sixth, Frank Brewer seventh, Terry O eighth, Kevin ninth, and Scott Sable 10th. Lots of action up here in front. Looks like Jellick's making a move early. He's run up in the second position and pushing very hard against Sawyer. Right behind Kevin is Sean Wilcox. And there you saw it, Kevin Jellick just misses 2 times in a row. A major problem as he now goes over the wall and chases desperately after Mr. Brewer. Right behind him, gets taken out. Justin Sheely's really trying to get that third spot. He wants to pull it away from Sean Wilcox. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, very close racing up front here by all 4 cars. And there it is, a move almost made by Kevin Jellick. He's just looking for that 1 spot, making a clean race of it as he chases down Sawyer. This is real clean racing by all of these Slash drivers. Wonderful to watch it. Over the kicker jump, there he is, Sawyer, and after him is Kevin, and right behind him, here they come, second, third, and fourth is Sean and Justin. Amazing, very nice move there, put on by Kevin Jellick, gets away with it, and Sean, incredible. There it is, Sawyer takes it back. That is what I call clean racing. Over the wall they go. The Golden State Electric Challenge is showing a very fine showing here in the Slash Expert A2. Over the double-doubles, here they are over the kickers in hand. I'm telling you what, Sean and Justin are making up time. Are in first and second place. Runners on incredible bumper to bumper. Incredible move by Jellick. He pays the price, and there it is. Sawyer takes it back as they go down towards the backstretch. Nice racing. This is making for some excitement. Down the straightaway, they go 1 and 2, and right over the wall goes 3 and 4 as they now come closer and closer to the first and second positions. There he is, Sawyer over the kicker, Jellick over the kicker, making several moves, incredible moves on Kevin Jellick's behalf. And there he is over the triple. Sawyer gets messed up just a little bit as he now goes back towards the backstretch, and here it is, literally bumper to bumper at times. Right here, and there's the move. Very nice sportsmanship on Jellick's part. Over the wall they go. Looking for an inside one. There he is, over the double-doubles. Incredible. This is pressure, folks, and all the time, it's Sean Wilcox and Justin battling their own battle. Then it's Bad Boy Rocky, Kevin Gorginski, Terry, Frank Brewer, and Scott Sable in that order. One and 2, getting into traffic, it's unfortunate, but you saw it right there, folks. Kevin makes a stop. That is called sportsmanship on Jellick's part. You saw it happen right there. He stopped for a moment, let that lead car take it back. And it looks like Brewer got caught up in traffic, and now Mr. Wilcox out front with Kevin now on his rear end, pushing him to the limit. There it is on the inside. Now on the backstretch in the traffic they go, around the cars. Incredible racing. Brewer is not out of this one yet. There he is, right there. He's trying to get back into that third position which he has. Justin Sheely's pushing hard. Scott Sable moves up the top. Oh my goodness, there it is. Kevin out front now. Oh no, he's got to come back, David. He's got to come back over across this. Yes. Sawyer Brewer now pushing hard, trying to catch Jelly as he goes around traffic and Travis lets it around. Very nicely done. Kevin out front with quite a lead now. Enjoying the double-double by himself, finally, for the first time in 5 minutes of racing. We have 2 minutes left. Kevin now goes to the center section through the carousel, and guess what? Sawyer Brewer is knocking on the door. 3 seconds separate him, and then Brewer has a problem. Mike Haas, fast spotter, gets it done. Way to hustle, Mike. Over the wall by himself once again. Brewer gets caught up in traffic. That's really unfortunate. But there it is. Getting bumped around. That's the second place, guys. Justin Sheely third. Sean Wilcox fourth. Rocky fifth. Bad Boy sixth. Kevin Urgency seventh. Terry O eighth. Scott Siegel ninth. Frank Brewer 10th. There it is down the backstretch. All by his lungs against Kevin Jelly. Coming back to snag that number 1 position. Trying hard. Gets caught up on the wall. Comes out lucky. Here he is over the double doubles by himself. He's on cruise control.
1 minute to go.
But maybe he shouldn't be. Here's Sawyer Brewer back again, pushing hard, and Sawyer Brewer now is within 4 seconds, literally 4 seconds in. There's a mistake there by Jelly. And there's Brewer. Nice move by the car to let it by. And there it is. You're looking at it with a minute left to go. Brewer is literally right back in the running here. He goes down the straightaway. Over the double doubles. Jelly gets caught up for a moment. And here's Brewer right on him. They're both going to make another lap out of it. Here they are once again over the triple, over the kicker down the center of the track, through the carousel. It's 1 and 2 right there. Incredible move by Brewer. Triple. He completely goes over the triple and now bumper to bumper down the backstretch. There it is on the inside, and he pays the price for it. Nice move, and Kevin very smoothly gets away from that one down the straightaway. Here they come. They got 5 seconds to get around this track. Nicely done. An excellent race. Once again, in the Slash Expert A2. This is the second paint of the day, round 2. Nicely done. Cars keep on coming by. We won't forget you. It's Kevin number 1, Sawyer number 2, Sean number 3, Justin number 4, Bad Boy number 5. Moves up the ranks. Kevin Gorginski number 6, Rocky number 7, Terry O number 8, Scott Sable 9, and Frank Brewer 10. Way to go, guys. These are exciting races.